In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Quest Pro controllers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Quest Pro controllers are compatible with the Meta Quest 2 headset and also the Meta Quest 3, and you will be able to easily connect them wirelessly to your Meta Quest headset. So first, make sure that they are sufficiently charged. By using the included charging dock, you can make sure that they are properly charged. I would recommend charging to full on your first use, however this is optional. As long as they have sufficient battery, they will work, but charging them to full will give you longer battery life and also ensure that this works. You can also use the power outlet and plug the cable directly into a specific controller. So now with this done and with the headset and the controllers properly charged, go into the mobile app. This is going to be the most convenient way to connect it. You have to access your devices and find the specific headset that you want to pair the controllers to. Now, if you scroll all the way down under headset settings, you will be able to find controllers. So just choose the option from here and you will be able to select which model of Quest controllers you want to connect, and you will be able to find the option to pair the Meta Quest Pro controllers here. Now, with this done, you will be able to follow the instructions. Usually, you will have to press a combination of buttons on the left and right controller, and after this is done, they will be paired up. Like I said, make sure that they are sufficiently charged, and then use the mobile app to connect them. If this doesn't work, you can try the whole process again, so go back inside of the devices, make sure that they are sufficiently charged, and then just follow the instructions from here. Make sure that you are pressing the correct combination of buttons and that you are in close proximity. Ensure that there is no interference and they should connect flawlessly. If it doesn't work, restart the mobile app and reset the controllers. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Quest Pro controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.